Welcome back to Money Unlocked, your go-to source for unlocking online income secrets and financial freedom strategies. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular online income methods, affiliate marketing. What is it? How does it work? And how can you start making money with it, even as a beginner? Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on money-making tips like this one. Let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. Here's how it works. You sign up as an affiliate, get a unique link, and when someone buys through that link, you earn a percentage of the sale. You don't need to create your own product. No need for customer service. No need for inventory. Just promote and earn. It's one of the simplest ways to start making money online. How does it actually work? Here's a basic breakdown of the process. Join an affiliate program, like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, or Digistore24. Choose a product. Pick something you're interested in or that matches your audience. Get your affiliate link. This is how sales are tracked to you. Promote the link through YouTube, blog posts, Instagram, or email marketing. Earn commissions. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you get paid. It's that simple. And the best part? Some affiliate programs offer recurring commissions, meaning you get paid monthly if the customer stays subscribed. Real-life example. Let's say you join Amazon's affiliate program. You find a popular product, like a fitness tracker. You make a YouTube review or a blog post about it, include your affiliate link, and share it with your audience. Now, whenever someone clicks your link and buys the tracker, you earn a commission. The more traffic you drive, the more money you make. This is how many YouTubers, bloggers, and even TikTok creators are earning hundreds to thousands of dollars per month, passively. Where to promote affiliate links? Here are 5 powerful places to promote your affiliate links. 1. YouTube videos. Create reviews, tutorials, or comparisons. 2. Instagram or TikTok. Use short videos or stories with links in bio. 3. Your own blog or website. Great for SEO and long-term traffic. 4. Email marketing. Build an audience and send product offers. 5. Facebook groups or communities. Be helpful and share when relevant. Remember, always give value before promoting. People buy from those they trust. Best affiliate networks for beginners. If you're just starting out, here's some beginner-friendly affiliate programs. Amazon Associates. Trusted and easy to join. ClickBank. Digital products with high commissions. Digistore24, global platform with recurring income options. ShareASale, tons of brands and niches. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, great for bloggers and influencers. These platforms are free to join and offer a wide range of products you can promote. Tips to succeed in affiliate marketing. Here are 5 quick tips to succeed. 1. Pick a niche. Focus on one topic like health, finance, or tech. 2. Be honest. Recommend only what you trust or have used. 3. Use SEO. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and keywords. 4. Stay consistent. Keep creating valuable content. 5. Track your links. Use tools like Bitly or Google Analytics to see what's working. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building trust and value, and the money follows. How much can you earn with affiliate marketing? Well, it depends on your niche, traffic, and effort. Some people earn $100 a month, while others make over $10,000 per month consistently. The key is to build content that lasts, promote smartly, and learn what works best for your audience. It's not magic, it's a skill. And once you master it, the income can be life-changing. So that's a complete beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe to Money Unlocked for more tips on how to earn online and grow your digital income. New videos every week, helping you unlock the money you deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.